Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of the Python. Use your favorite browser, go to the python.org. This is the official site of Python. Now inside the site, go to the downloads button. Here you can see the Windows button, click it. Inside the Windows button you can see these versions of Pythons. Install this 64 executable installer, click it and it will automatically start downloading. After downloading this exe file, click it, and always remember, before installing it, add the Python 3.5 to the path. Click it, and now install it. Press yes. It's asking you for your permission. Now wait. And then it's done. You can see the setup was successful. Close it and let's use it first. Go to Python 3.5. Here you can see the Python IDLE and the Python 3.5 and IDLE and then Python 3.5. Let's try it. Here you can write the Python commands. For example, write print hello world. It will print you the hello world string. Hello world. You also can use the Python IDLE. Go to Python, click the IDLE. This is the Python shell. Here you also can write the Python commands. Let's try it. Here write print hello world. You can see it print hello world. Thank you.